guys, it is me, Stace. Today I want to share with you my design team project for Maymay Made It, and today we're making this really pretty card. There's the outside, and then we have the inside there. Alright, so to get started, you will need a piece of cardstock for the base of the card. I chose yellow. This is 4 1/4 by 11. I scored it at 5.5. Then your accent color, you can see on mine I chose green. You need 2 of those. One measures 4 by 5 1/4. The other one is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. You will need your white cardstock, 3 pieces. One is 4 by 5 1/4. One is 3 3/4 by 5. The small one is 2.5 by 2.5. We're first going to work with our white pieces. Set all this aside. We're going to bring in some scrap paper. Now working with the one that is 3 3/4 by 5. I'm using 2 stamp sets. We're using Dogwoods and Bloom for the flower pieces and also Relic for the greeting. I'm going to grab this stamp and grab our flowers. I'm using the 2 bottom flowers here. So I have that one. And we have this one. Let's grab the tops to those. Alright, let's set that aside. Let's grab some blocks to put our stamps on. And these 2 here. That way they're waiting for us when we need them. I'm using 2 colors of inks. These are both Stampin' Up. This one is Mint Macaron. The other one is Hello Honey. Just to kind of match my cardstock. Alright, we're going to work with the larger flower first. Ink it up in the green. Stamp it off. Make sure you have good coverage on the stamp. And stamp it on this piece. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Let's do our yellow one. Oops, I have ink on that one. Let's flip it over. I had a smudge. Let's redo it. I said before, good thing paper has 2 sides. Guess I have ink somewhere on my fingers. Okay. Now I'll go back with the yellow one and the smaller flower. We'll do one more over here at the bottom. Alright, close up this. Now to create the layers on top, I'm using brown ink. This one's called Tip Top Taupe. Let's grab our layers, and they're really easy to line up. And I'm not even worried about it if I don't get them lined up perfectly. I kind of like that they're not. Put that one on top. And you can see it's not perfect, but I think it adds to the flower. Let's do this one down here. Alright, let's grab the other one. Really pretty card. I love the colors in this one. Okay, let's grab this bottom one. Right there. And we're done. And I have another smudge. That's okay. We're keeping the smudge. Alright, we're going to take this and glue this one to our green layer. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. I'm going to layer this on top of the green. Alright, let's stick this to the front of our card while we're here. And I have that smudge I made to go towards the top. I'm hoping I'll be able to cover that up. Alright, let's work on the inside. Really simple for this one. We're going to grab the branch from that Dogwood stamp. Lay that down. We grab that same brown ink. that up, stamp it on the bottom. I'm going to grab another leaf from the stamp set. I'm actually going to use the smaller one that has the outline on it. And we're going to use that one with the green. Just going to line it up with that, the branches. And again, if I'm not perfect, I'm okay with it. So that one, completely not even touching it, but that's okay. See, there's the bottom. I think it's cute, no matter if it's lined up perfectly or not. Like I said, it's a homemade card. I think the imperfections add to the character of the card. All right, let's glue this on the inside. I'll work with the greeting on the front. All right, that is done. Let's go ahead and put all that aside. Now we have our greeting, and again we have that green piece that is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, or white is 2 1/2 by 2 1/2. And I already have the stamp lined up in my mini Misty spool to make it easier. I'm going to put this in the bottom corner. I'm going to ink the stamp up in that same brown ink. I'll bring it down, just push on it. Perfect. I love this tool. You know, it's funny, I didn't think I needed this, but now that I have it, I absolutely love it. All right, now one thing I want to add to the greeting from that stamp set, and the greeting came from the Relic one. I'm going to grab this little, I think it's the center of the flowers. I'm going to use the yellow ink and just stamp this all around it, just to bring in more yellow. I think green is the dominant color we're using, so I like bringing in a little bit of this second color. All right, just a few spots there and there. All right, let's flip this over. We're going to put foam squares on the back. I'm going to use 5 of these. All 4 corners and one in the center. All right, give all those a squish. I'm going to use my big bite and punch a hole toward the top in the center, hopefully. All right, now we have that is done. Let's bring our card front back over. Pretty card for spring or Mother's Day. I'm going to bring this up a little high because I want to try to hide that smudge I have there. I'm going to grab some of this jute cording, cut a chunk off. You can use ribbon. I'm going to take my bone folder, just go against it to straighten it out a little bit. All right, I'm folding it in half. I have the loopy end. I'm going to bring that through the back, open the loop up, and bring the other 2 pieces through that. Get it nice and tight. Okay, take the backing off of these guys and we're almost done. Now on my original card I had this going off-centered. This one I'm going to put it directly on there and kind of have my cord, my string be a little bit longer to kind of camouflage that smudge we have there. Okay, you can also put a glue dot if you want to kind of hold it down. All right, so there you have it, my friends. Really simple card. Oh, I forgot one thing. I'm going to add these little gems. These also are from Maymay. Everything I'm using you can find on maymaymadeit.com. And I'm going to put these on the green ones. Aren't they pretty? And they're all good size. Just put them on the center of all the green ones. Okay, there we have it. So there's that one. Then we have that one there. All right, any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.